In this video, it looks like the Quant price broke out of a major resistance zone right here. And in this video, I'll be telling you what this means for the Quant price. But before I begin giving my thoughts on the market, if you guys enjoy the video, consider subscribing to the channel. It only takes like 2 seconds of your time. It really means a lot to me. So let's begin. So yeah, right now it looks like Quant has broken out of resistance right here. If you guys remember, in my previous video, I actually said one of my expectations were the Quant price will hover within this vicinity right here between support and resistance, and at some point it will decide which way it is headed to, either to the upside or to the downside. And for that to happen, we must break either of these support or resistance. We must break either support or resistance. If we break resistance, that's a signal we may be moving to the next resistance at $123. And if we break support at $106, then we may be dropping to $93 as the next big move. But right now, it looks like the Quant price broke above resistance right here. So yeah, is this a bullish thing? So first of all, we must look at the indicators to confirm if this is actually not a fake out, and to confirm that we're going to be moving to the next resistance at $123. First of all, I have a few warnings right here. My first warning is the stochastic. Yes, there's a problem right now in the stochastic. It is that we are touching overbought levels right here. If you guys remember, the last time we have touched overbought levels right here, we saw a dump at the Quant price. Yes, right here we saw actually a quick dump to the downside before it actually recovered right here. And then right now we have broken out of resistance, but again, I'm seeing another problem right here, is that this could be a fake out because again, we have touched overbought levels. So again, this is a warning right here. This could be a massive fake out. So let us wait for confirmation. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm waiting for confirmation right now. And I'm not yet jumping into conclusions. And also in the RSI, we are continuously forming bearish divergences right here. Yes, another bearish divergence. We can see we have put in, wait a second. Let me delete the previous one right here and add a new line. So a higher high in the price while we have formed a lower high in the RSI. So again, yet another bearish divergence right here that we should look into and stay cautious of, because again, this could be another fake out and we could see pretty much another drop back to support right here. So yeah, right now I am waiting for confirmation. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm not jumping into conclusions just yet until I see a successful breakout right here. There's no confirmation that this is a sustainable move to the upside just yet, and this could be a massive fake out. Let's move to the weekly. So right now the weekly, in my opinion, is looking a bit bullish right here, because let me explain it real quick. Again, I have also warned you guys about this massive head and shoulders pattern, and if we actually do break the neckline at $91 or $92, then that is the signal that the Quant price may start to move to the downside to our target of $50 right here. Of course, not all patterns play out. This pattern may not play out, but if it does, I gave you guys the warning. But right now, I'm just sticking to my primary scenario that the Quant price in the weekly will play out this 5-wave move to the upside. And right now, we are on track for the wave 3, targeted at around $400 US. I measured that by using the FIP extension right here, and it essentially shows us the targets right here, starting at $330 to $400. Yeah, but again, right now, if you look at the weekly time frame, we have plotted out, or we have drawn this trend line right here, and we have been forming higher lows right here, a low right here, and another higher low right here. So basically, it looks like we are still on track in the weekly time frame, unless we break this support right here that we have formed, or this trend line. A break below that trend line means I'm going to be switching bearish, And the most bearish case is if we break below the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern at $92, then I might stick to the bearish scenario instead and form a conclusion that this 5-wave move to the upside may be invalidated. So be sure to stick around for my updates because my view may change at any point. If you guys want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, then be sure to sign up on Bybit using my affiliate link in the description. And you guys can get up to $30,000 in bonus as well as 0 fees. Don't forget to also join my Discord server where I post daily market signals and updates. Watch this video right now that's being displayed on the screen.